Hello friends. I'm glad to welcome you to the Drive It Easy channel. Today we have a cool selection of situations at the intersection. Subscribe and we'll get started. So, the first situation at the intersection. We see a traffic controller at the intersection. According to traffic rules, we know that the traffic controller has priority over traffic light signals and also over road signs. Therefore, in this case, drivers should respond exclusively to the traffic controller. We see that he is holding his hands to the side, so this means something. Question for you, please tell me which of the road users has the right to drive? I am sure that you gave the correct answer, namely, the blue and gray cars can continue moving in the given direction. Let's figure out why. The traffic controller's hands to the side mean that everyone who is moving parallel to him can move straight or to the right. The blue car is moving straight and the gray one is turning right, so everything is okay. The red and white cars see a traffic controller in front of them, who is standing with his face or back to them, and his two hands to the sides, which is a sign that movement is prohibited. The following situation. We see that three cars have their own direction of movement. But there is a traffic controller who gives a signal, namely, the right hand is raised up and the left is lowered. Attention question. Please tell me which of these cars has the right to continue moving in the given direction? Yes, that's right. He doesn't just greet all road users, he prohibits the movement of any vehicle. Please share your answer. And we continue. This intersection is clearly not for beginners but for confident drivers. We see that at this moment there is only one car at the intersection. The traffic controller is standing sideways to the driver, and his right hand is extended forward. The red car intends to move to the right. Question for you experienced drivers. Can the red car turn right? So, novice drivers might say that at the intersection the car is completely alone, so it may not react to the traffic controller and may pass. But only experienced drivers would say that you should always follow the traffic rules, so in this situation the driver of the red car is prohibited from moving in any direction, including to the right as in the photo. If you see this position of the traffic controller relative to you, then know that you are prohibited from moving in any direction. This is a little sweeter. We see that the traffic lights are working. For blue and gray, this is a green traffic light, and for red and white cars, this is a red traffic light. Note that there is also a regulator here. So answer, how should the vehicles pass in this case? If there is a traffic controller at the intersection, he has priority over traffic lights and road signs. Therefore, even if the traffic lights are working, drivers must still be guided by the signals of the controller. So in this case, despite the contradiction between the traffic lights and the traffic controller, drivers must act as follows. The red and white cars can move in the given direction because the traffic controller is standing sideways to them and his hands are down. The blue car cannot move because the traffic controller is standing with his back to him. The gray car cannot move because the traffic controller is standing facing him but his hands are down. The last intersection for today, friends. Thank you for watching and analyzing with me. So we see three cars at this intersection. You already know the traffic controller's gestures from previous videos, so I think this will be easy for you. So the question is, in which direction can each car go? Thank you for sharing your answer in the comments, so let's figure it out. First, let's take a white car. The traffic controller is standing sideways to it, and his right hand is extended in front of him, that is, to the left for the white driver, and his left is lowered down. This gesture of the traffic controller means for the white car that he has the right to move in any direction. That is, forward, left, right and turn. In this case, except for the right, because he did not take the extreme right position. The blue car sees that the traffic controller is facing him and his right hand is extended in front of him, that is, towards the blue car. This means that the blue car has the right to move exclusively to the right. The red car sees that the traffic controller is standing sideways to it, and his right hand is extended in front of him, that is, to the right for the red driver, which means that the red car is prohibited from moving. Thank you friends for watching to the end. Don't forget to write your thoughts about these situations. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the most interesting. See you.